up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ariana from Ariana's Beauty Zone. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button. Today I'm showing you all how I do a lock detox. So first I fill the bowl up with water, and then I start with the baking soda. I make sure to put the baking soda all over his locks. After I put a good amount of baking soda in his locks, I go in with the apple cider vinegar. You all do not mind the face that he makes when I put the apple cider vinegar on there. He just said that it felt cold. That's all. Now I am putting lemon juice in his locks. Then I make sure that all of those ingredients for the detox are in the water as well, so that way his locks can soak in them for 30 minutes. Now guys, please make sure you are wearing gloves during this process to protect your skin. I totally forgot to put those gloves on when I started, as you all saw. So please don't forget to wear gloves. After making sure the products are well into his locks, we're going to let them soak for 30 minutes. Since 30 minutes has gone by, I'm going to rinse his locks and scalp with the detox water a little bit, only because his scalp can get really flaky and dry. So I am just making sure his scalp is taken care of as well. Now I'm going to rinse his locks and start the shampooing process. Usually when I shampoo, I like to scrub real good. However, since his scalp and hair, I believe, is in kind of a vulnerable state, considering that the ingredients I used can be drying to someone's hair and scalp, I am not going to scrub too much.
I'm forever your lady. I'll be forever your baby. There ain't no ifs, ands, or maybes. You are, you are, you are.
Now I'm going to condition his locks.
The way, the truth, the life I seek, I find. So glad I finally realized, got a lifeline. Fear no evil, for thou art with me. This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside.
Now I'm going to retwist his locks. He said he didn't want a particular style, so it's just going to be a regular retwist.
Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. Let's put tomorrow away. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far. City with the top down.
Thank you all for watching. Please make sure to thumbs up this video, okay? It really helps me a lot. Y'all can go visit our website at arianasbeautyzone.glossgenius.com. That is where you can also book an appointment with me. Until next time, beauties. Shake your dreads.